Looks pretty badass, doesn't it? What's up, guys? This is Jeremy Reddick with the FloorRescue group, and we're fixing to lay down a really cool metallic epoxy garage floor. We're out here in Celina, Texas. We actually just laid down the other garage next to us. This is the master garage, part of this part of the house. That's part of the fitness center and the guest house over there. So we've got 9 kits of advanced resins designer metallic epoxy, and we're fixing to start mixing our mica pigments in. As you saw, you heard the doorbell just ring, that's our pizza. So too bad you're not here. This floor is gonna be white, black, silver, and grays. A little hint of white, not a lot of white. And again, we got 9 kits, which is 3 gallons each, so 27 gallons. And we got about 850 or so square feet. So we're gonna be in about 30 to 33 square feet per gallon range, which is gonna give us a lot of movement. Laying down designer metallic epoxy by Advanced Resins, low viscosity, great working time. I can be on this floor for an hour. We're looking at about 30 minutes right now. As you see, I work from one side of the room, that side, to a certain point because we're working into the customer's house. And this is the difference about doing residential properties. You have to be extremely careful about how you protect everything and how you do everything. And the only reason why we're not going out the garage is because the wind has been really strong this week out here. And so we did an ultra great job. My guys did a great job protecting out there. We're all working together as a team, getting this material down. And you see I'm using a T-bar here to move this material, flowing real nicely. I laid out my colors with a good balanced flow according to the design that our client wanted. And so I know we make this look easy, guys, but we've got support for you guys, coaching and training with the FloorRescue group and Advanced Resins and Cements, whose product this is supporting our journey as installers so that we can provide great content like this. I'm gonna keep going here, even though I've got plenty of working time. But we're using this T-bar, which is a great tool because you can get all the way to the corners and the edges, and your pivot is in the middle of the pole, and you don't have a frame that's preventing you. So we build a dam, as you can see on this edge here, as I go over the edge, we got a dam down there that blocks the material as I go over this vertical and go over this edge. And so we got a dam down there. So again, my design is in this direction, so I'm gonna go back over it like that, and I'm gonna capture it and kind of come back. And so I'm gonna keep my flow going. I'm not trying to run a bunch over the edge, but as I did a while ago, I showed you guys, we build those dams up so that the cleanup is easy, you know, later on when you come back to do your top coat. And so kind of running this up the edge right here. I need to make sure I get plenty of epoxy right there. I'm gonna come back in there to try to keep my design going. And then this is the direction I'm going. I'm doing what we call river style technique. And we're basically going in one direction. And you can see I'm gonna go over this edge and slightly tidal wave that so that we have epoxy all over that vertical. And then I will come back and keep tying in my design like you see here. It all flows. So as you go, it's important that you look at your cleat marks, look at what your roller's doing, look at what your T-bar is doing, look at what design you're creating. If something needs to be addressed, you can get back in this material, go out there and fix it. A little chip brush, use your tool, whatever you need to do. We're spraying down liquid quartz ceramic top coat. You see Garrett spraying this down right now. Using a Chapin dripless acetone sprayer. These work really good. Clean them out with acetone when we're done. We're putting this product down at around 400 to 500 square feet per gallon. Basically a light mist, if you will, kind of a wetting of the floor. And this can be microfibered or sprayed on and offers you a really nice, durable finish for your metallic floors, for stained concrete, sealed concrete, and other floors that would need a good top coat. And it's important to have on booties, guys, because the oil in your feet can go through your socks, and these ceramics are a little bit sensitive. This metallic floor was installed a week ago. We let it cure out. We actually went out of town, did another job. So we're back here now, putting a top coat on this one and the one next door we just finished up. My name is Jeremy Reddick, and I'm the owner of FloorRescue in Dallas, Texas, and one of the managing partners with the FloorRescue group. And we're a group of certified, experienced installers. We do polishing, staining, overlays, self-levelers, obviously metallics, flakes, quartz, industrial resin floors, urethane cements. Been installing for 20 years. We're not a DIY company. We're professionals and have been with the FloorRescue group and FloorRescue out of Dallas, Texas since 2004. The FloorRescue group is coming out with our coaching program and also in-person training and online courses for you guys to kind of help you go to the next level. Maybe you're just trying to get in to this industry for the first time. We would love to guide you, love to help you. Y'all enjoy these videos, enjoy this one. This is a super cool floor. Y'all check out this McLaren. During the day, we're gonna have some of his cars out here, some really cool exotic cars, just to celebrate the floor, celebrate his new home, and just celebrate our clients. That's how we roll. So trust in the rescue, guys. Like, follow, subscribe. Don't miss us on the next training.